Artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence. AI is transforming the way we live, work, and innovate. But mastering it isn't just about understanding what it does. It's about learning how to use it in ways that matter to you. AI isn't just a buzzword. It's a tool that can supercharge your career, your business, and even your creativity. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or just someone who loves tech, learning how to leverage AI can give you a huge competitive advantage. Start with the fundamentals, and you'll build a strong foundation. These platforms allow you to experiment with AI, whether you're writing content, analyzing data, or even building your own chatbot. Having clear goals will guide your learning journey. AI is revolutionizing diagnostics, helping doctors detect diseases faster and with greater accuracy. AI is a game changer. Start working on small AI projects. The world of AI is always evolving, so staying curious is key. AI isn't just for tech experts. It's for anyone willing to learn and explore. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Matrix, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the latest tech.